Hello, in this video we'll be doing a fingerprint scanner speed test between two different phone models. The one on the left is OnePlus Nord CE 2 and one on the right is SONY Xperia Pro-I. And OnePlus Nord has its fingerprint scanner located right here at the bottom of the screen, and one on the right is SONY Xperia and it has its fingerprint scanner located on the side right here. So let's get into the testing. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.